Exploring
Exploring
nature together. Right? Exploring nature. I think nature. Exploring nature. Maybe do it the other way so our hands hit. So be like, exploring nature together. Okay, ready? Hello, and welcome to
Exploring Nature.
Hi there, and welcome to
Exploring Nature together.
I'm Tilda.
And I am Gilligan.
This is our intern, Kevin. But, I mean, he's useless. He broke his arm because he thought he was being chased by a mountain lion. But turns out it was just Gilligan here chasing a butterfly.
Butterflies are my favorite winged creature. No. Dragons. Angels. The White House. That's it. That's my favorite.
My favorite is also the White House.
Gilligan. Poison ivy.
I'm like, whoops-a-daisy, Gilligan. That's poison ivy.
Poison oak. Say poison oak.
That's poison oak. Okay.
You know, there is just so much to see if you'd stick your head out the window every once in a while and put down your Facebook.
Kevin! Okay, we'll do that. There's a special flour used as a garnish on salads, and in some countries they say that it even tastes as sweet as candy. No, tastes like...
Tilda, that's bad.
Oh, it's stuck in my gums. Oh, help!
It's good to give nature some love. Why not just give it a hug, yeah? Tilda?
Bees!
What's up?
You know, the good book says, love your nature as yourself. Should I say that?
Yes. Certainly appreciate your input. You're more of the quiet partner. Okay. You want to make nature... Nice backpack. Okay, yes, you definitely have to do that, and I'll just be like... Pull it out of your backpack. Oh yeah, but we should just be like, we could be walking and I'll be like, oh look, there's a little spider, and then I'll just be like, Gilligan! No, don't follow us though.
These are actually googleberries. They are delicious and edible. So.
Gilligan!
No.
Oh shoot.
As an adventurer, it's a fantastic idea to keep a variety of meats.
Hamburger, turkey jerky.
Salamis, filet mignon in the pockets that you have, so that if you're ever approached by a bear, you'll have enough food to feed them, and hence they'll be too full to then eat you.
That is astute point.
She started panning. Sorry, Mom, I gave you.
Turkey jerkies, salamis.
Hamburger meat.
What's another one?
It is a little
Raw
bright
steak.
behind you, but I mean, that's whatever.
Hamburger
Like
steak.
ribeye.
Raw chicken.
What's something that'd be like a fancy meal or something? Filet mignon. Okay. Yeah, and then I'll be like, and then I'll finish the in case of bear, and then just be like, astute point. As an adventurer, it's a fantastic idea to keep a variety of meats,
Like hamburgers, turkey jerky.
salamis, filet mignon
That's a good one.
in the pockets that you carry, so that if you're ever approached by a bear, you'll have food to feed him, and hence he'll be too full then to eat you.
Mm-hmm. That's astute point. Don't do that.
That would be so funny if it turned on. He's got COVID.
Darn.
Oh man.
We should find one that
Okay,
will turn
we'll keep
on.
looking. Okay, alright. Oh, it's a ladybug! Kill him! Oh my...
Dang thing.
Boys and girls, Gilligan is gonna give us, an exploration of the bag and what items are good for a travel good.
Well said. For starters, it's very important for every wilderness explorer to have plenty of water. See here, I've got a 2-gallon container. It's empty right now, but again, I'll fill it. It's also handy to have one of these tribal drums around. You never know, and you could run into some unsavory folks that you might need to seduce. And then...
Can't say seduce. That's weird. I thought I packed binoculars in here, and then I'm like, Kevin!
Am I panning to him then again?
After I pick it up, pan to him. A couple years back, we were hiking Kilimanjaro, and we came across a couple other travelers who, you know, they weren't having the best of luck making it up. We were the ones who were stuck, and other travelers, they came to our rescue, and voila, our finished shelter. Holy cow, Gilligan, that looks amazing. Did you paint it?
I think it was Kevin.
That's not possible. That's you?
Oh, am I starting this one? Oh, are we on?
It's you.
Oh, okay.
When you're a dirt human, now this here is a great northern fir. And what the heck?
Oh yeah, squirrels hate me. They're always throwing pine cones and oh!
One of the most important life lessons as a youth human is just spend some time in the dirt. You know, get some grass on your hands and
Hey! No,
hey,
Kevin!
hey.